Okay, so first, as you notice, I've changed my name to EDC and Knives. Because that's basically what my channel is about. This video, though, is on can I make a good solo kit with a pill bottle? Especially a bigger one. I saw this on YouTube, and yeah, I'm interested in see if I can. Now, I'm like, okay, it's a big bottle, you know? I can put in my cargo. I have cargo pants with cargo pockets, so this could easily fit into it and go zoop. Uh, Now, the thing is, can I make it into a hybrid though? Because I see people go, okay, urban or woodland or what have you. I'm into hybrid kits. I am. I.e., pretty much my bushcraft kit now is a hybrid kit, and my homeless hobo kit, yeah. So, you know, could I do it? Could I literally do a hybrid kit with this? A good one. Like, how many mini things do I have though? Yeah. Also, a quick review of this. This is from the Ozark 12 16-piece kit. I pretty much used the knife, and the only thing about the knife is I gotta sharpen it again, but the point is still sharp. The this spring, as you see. So honestly, this is actually a superior Swiss Army knife clone. So yeah. So anyway, first I think what to put in here. What to put in here. What can I put in here? What can I do for hybrid? I could do. I could easily do some needles. Needles and thread is a general thing, so I could do that. I could put in some acetaminophen, Advil, etc. So I'm gonna think. This is what I'm gonna do. Lily, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go, huh? See if you can actually see it. No, you can't. Wow. I'm gonna go, huh? What can I put in here? Huh? And then start. This will probably be a project that's gonna be a while before I complete. I have time anyway, because you know. Now, I gotta get the label off, which I'll probably end up doing with either. Wait, I wonder if I could do this with hydroperoxide. Like, put on there and just, you know. I know alcohol could do that. That's an airboat. Where? By the way, I'm next. By the way, where I am at now, I'm next. Well, pretty much next to a little waterway. Sorry, or lake, or whatever we'll call it. So yeah. Anyway, uh, I'm open to suggestions for this. I mean, it's a nice little handle one. I can literally, okay, I can literally do this. I can go, I need to get out of Dodge. Grab it and. So anyway, let's see what I can come up with. Anyway, peace.